Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with DeepL if the application keeps crashing. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepL application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for DeepL, find application and install it. So after opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with making our translations. Here we have the settings option for managing how our application works and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to fix any crashes. So basically, if you're an Android, you're going to clear your cache and data. You can long press the application icon and then go to your storage settings of your mobile phone and select the clear cache and clear data option for your application. If you're an iOS, you're going to have to delete the application. So go ahead and delete the application from your mobile device and reinstall it again from the App Store, just like explained at the beginning of the video, and make sure to update to the latest version. So ensure you're running the latest version from the App Store so you can make sure everything is correct and working. So if you tried all of this, you're going to go ahead and contact Apple support or Google Play support. If it still isn't working, explain to them what the problem is and they're going to walk you through step by step on how to fix it and what device is necessary for the application to run. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.